Hello friends, now to solve this mathematical problem by the step-by-step solution by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve B stand for bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for off, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step says brackets. Solve the term inside the parentheses, which is 2 plus 3. It gives you 5 as a result. According to this step, brackets group number together and always take the topmost priority. So now the current expression becomes 125 divided by 5 multiplied by 5 plus cube root 27 multiplied by 4. Move to the next step. Orders. Roots. Evaluate the cube root, which is root 27. So now cube root 27, it gives you the answer 3. Since we know that 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, it gives 27. And now the current expression becomes 125 divided by 5 multiplied by 5 plus 3 and multiplied by 4. So now according to this step, roots and parts must turn into the regular integers before the basic arithmetic. And now move to the next step, division and multiplication. Work from left to right from division and multiplication. Now first we divide the values. 125 divided by 5 gives you 25. And multiplication gives you 25 multiplied by 5 gives you 125. So now current expression becomes 125 plus 3 multiplied by 4. So now here is a multiplication. Again we can multiply 3 multiplied by 4 gives you 12. And now the current expression becomes 125 plus 12. So according to this step, division and multiplication share the equal priority and must be worked sequentially left to right. Now finally we add the values, combine the remaining numbers, which is 125 plus 12, which gives you 137 as a final result. So now according to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, the final simplified answer of this expression is 137. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.